Hello campervan fans, hi on a rainy day. What is this weather doing? Right, we have got 4 counties to go and then I will have done all of the counties in England. So I'm going to do double bubble. I'm going to do 2 today and then in the final video I'll do 2 then as well. So I'm just going to bombard you. Here we go, City of Bristol. I did say City of Bristol rather than county. So, Bristol apparently is both a city and a county. I did not know this until I did my research. It was actually first named a county in 1373. It's quite a confusing picture because is Bristol in Avon, Somerset or Gloucestershire? I couldn't find anything to say it wasn't a county, so that's what I'm going with. Approximately 180 miles from the driveway. About 3 hours, 5 minutes, something like that to get there. And some facts about Bristol. It is the world's biggest manufacturer of hot air balloons. The first bungee jump took place jumping from the Clifton Suspension Bridge, which is in Bristol, in April 1979. And then from that point it became a new sport around the world. And Bristol Zoo opened in 1836. It's the 5th oldest zoo in the world. Right, my second county. We're going to go up to the northwest of the country. We're going to go to Greater Manchester. Believe it or not, from the drive, it's more or less exactly the same distance as it was to Bristol. So about 180 miles, but maybe take a little bit longer because Greater Manchester is a huge urban centre, really. You've got lots of these sort of towns around Manchester itself. So maybe more like 3¼ hours, maybe 3½. So, Greater Manchester, there are 10 metropolitan boroughs. Here they come: Bolton, Bury, Oldham, Rochdale, Stockport, Tameside, Trafford and Wigan, and then also the cities of Salford and Manchester. Together, the population of Greater Manchester, so all of those boroughs added together, it's close to 3 million people, so it's pretty large. Some facts, a football fact: 2 Premier League teams in Manchester, in Greater Manchester, Manchester United and Manchester City, but also the world's first professional football league was set up at the city's Royal Hotel. Did you know there are 98 train stations in Greater Manchester? I did not know that. In 1904, these are just my random facts, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce first met at Manchester's Midland Hotel, and then 2 years later the company Rolls-Royce Limited was actually formed. Need my specs, I can't read it. Canal mania began in 1761. I've talked about canals in lots of counties, especially in the northwest and the Midlands, the sort of West Midlands of the country. So canal mania began in 1761 when the Bridgewater Canal, which is in Greater Manchester, became the first man-made waterway in Britain. And my final fact to do with Greater Manchester. Manchester is home to the world's longest running television soap opera. That's Coronation Street. It started on December the 9th, 1960, and it's still going. It's even older than me. Right, I'll see you soon for the final campervan caper county video. Keep dry and see you soon.